Divide 107 by 2. So here we divide 107 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get zev. So now this zev is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 7 and we remove this zev. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is also no any number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take here zev. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes zev. So 107 divided by 2 we got 53.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.